golden.
Good morning. Tulog ako. Yung driver ko. Ay, tsaka. Dito na kami. Mag-check-in lang kami sa...
Gonna be golden.
Dito na kami sa Golden. Hindi kami nakapag-picture dun sa Golden sign. Kasi...
Ulog.
Tulog ako.
Ulog ka.
Tulog ako, tapos may isa pang Golden. Kaso mukha siyang lapid
So, check-in muna.
Check-in muna tayo. Let's go. So, bit-bit. Sobrang init. Ano kayang temperature ngayon? Ha? 31. May metal horse. Cute. I feel like it's recycled. Naantok pa rin ako pero let's get the day going. Ready. Thank you po. Let's go.
New Year ba yun?
New Year.
Year. Pero hindi siya Ramadan.
Ramada.
Ramada.
Ay, matulog. Pero masasarap kumain. Sundan natin dito. Kasi di ko alam kung ano yung room number. Nabiyak yung pinto. Naku, pagod na yung driver. Mabigat na. Mabigat. Ayoko nga. Sasara ko lang for you. Ayan. Okay naman siya.
Gonna be golden. Meron pa pala doon. Ang puti-puti. Papuntang BC. Ay, papuntang Vancouver. Gandang pa pala yung bundok. Yun siguro lang yung Revelstoke. Kabilang bundok naman.
Maybe. It's our outside view. Diba? A very peaceful and very small town.
One eternity later.
Where are we going?
Golden Sky
Oh,
Beach.
God. Hindi naman yung plano kanina. Okay, let's go.
Lower Sky Bridge muna.
Lower Sky Bridge. That is...
Then mining period.
Bukit oh. Mag-enjoy mga bata dito ng sobra.
O dito, maghanap ka ng gem. May makuha ka bang gem dito?
Ay, ang cute naman.
May bayad pa 12.
12?
Ayun o. Gemstone mining bag.
Cute naman. Cute.
Photo opportunity. May ano lang po, 5 feet din eh.
Ha?
May bald eagle. Ayun.
Ay, oo nga, may nest siya.
Ayun, no? May bald eagle.
For there?
Ayun, naka-north.
Already? Baliw ka. Iba yung... Natukoy mo.
Bald eagle.
Diba? Huwag ka maingay pa kung banggitin yung salitang yan, ah.
Ganyan po, ganyan.
Ang kita. Sila talaga yung gumawa yan siguro.
Ito.
Ayun na, kita ko na yung bridge, oh.
Camera.
Ayun, oh.
Ah, magbabayad ka pa pagkaano ko. Picture. Picture ang kanila. Wow. Kala ko hindi ba nag-hit yung bald eagle? Ano doon lumilipad
Ano
eh.
ba nahanap? Meron doon. Sabi ko, ha? Nasaan? Tapos nakita pa yung lalaking nakatayong panot. Gustoy ka talaga. Ay, andito na tayo sa sunay. Bungad.
Ito yata yung zipline, no?
I think so. Ano bang pass natin? Bridge and what?
Bridge tsaka coaster.
Sa coaster. That's good. That's good enough.
Kaya mo yung zipline, tatawid sa ano?
Oo
Bundok.
naman.
Ayun, no?
Oo naman.
Yun, yun.
Yeah.
Sure. Tekin, baka maihi ako dyan.
Takot ka sa height?
Hindi naman. Sakto lang.
Ah. Grabe yun lang. Hiningal na ako.
Should we give gap or we can walk?
Viewpoint, view deck.
Habang nintay natin.
This is nice. Look.
Lakas ng water pose.
Binabato niya yung tubig pataas lang, oh. No? Kasi ano eh, mababa yung pinanggalingan niya, no? Wow, nice. Iconizing it.
Oh.
Ayun oh, binabato niya yung tubig pataas. Really good.
Nakakakiliti sa itlog, ah. Niliti yung itlog ko lang. Eh, hindi pa tayo naglalakad. Oh, niliti.
Pero wala ka naman fear of heights.
Wala. Well, parang nakakalula lang.
Nakakalula. Oo, nakakalula. Kasi tingnan mo, mas mataas tayo sa,
Yun.
sa bulo. Para mas malula ka, kukunin ko yung pababa.
Doon pala sa kanila.
Look at that. Whoa. And it's literally shaking and moving. Let's go! Okay ka lang?
Ah.
Sige.
Whoa! Oh my God.
Kaya mo yan.
Ha?
Kaya mo yan.
Alam mo, parang kinakamot yung itlog ko. Parang kinakamot yung itlog ko.
Yun. O, diba? Ah. Yun na nga. Ayun na nga mga kaibigan. This is what you call... I think this is the highest suspension bridge in Canada, yes. Yes. So let's go. Tatambay pa yung mga...
Kapag dito lang talaga, pakit na.
Ha?
Pagpabalik dito na dito.
Okay, let's go.
Pwede siya ganyan.
Saan?
Pag ganyan.
Bakit? Excuse me.
May
Bakit?
bagong laruan sila.
Bakit hindi ka pwede dyan?
Sa tuhod ko kasi diba ganyan.
Oo.
Kaya ngayon kanina inaalalayan ko. Hindi gumaganon eh.
Oo.
Yun yung kahinaan ng tuhod ko kasi.
Oh, I see. I think we're heading to Coaster, supposed to be. Pero, ewan ko if we're heading the right way.
Ito yata yung treetop. Oo,
Ayun yung
treetop.
treetop. Oo.
Nakatry na ako ng ganito. Sa ano?
I'll show you the treetop.
Sa Subic.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. Yeah, pwede kang, what do you call this? Umakit-akyat na parang, kunyari maakit ka sa puno. It's called treetop, but 5:45 na kami nakapasok dito, so we don't have enough time. So we only went for the bridge. At saka we're going for coaster. Though I'm not sure if this is the coaster. Galing mo, ang dami oh. Canyon Edge Challenge. Maganda dito. Kung pupunta ka ng sobrang maaga, tapos gagawin mo lahat ng activities, I would definitely recommend this one. Pero dahil, Diyos ko, paggabi na kami pumunta. Ano pang maipaglalaban naming activity? Wala na. Okay. Well,
Zipline lab.
thanks guys, zipline.
Hindi ako mag-zipline.
Let's go, coaster.
Coaster mo na.
Yeah. Well, hindi. Pag nag-zipline ka, dun ka nababagsak eh.
Kaya nga, hindi na tayo maglalakad pabalik.
Pwede. We'll see. I'll check first. Ang ganda oh. Parang kita mo yung summit oh. Diba?
Ito yung mga pics. Ang bundok. Ganda.
Wow. Look at that.
Maganda rito sa ano. Sa Lower Canyon Viewpoint.
So,
Oh, kita pala sa ano yung
Valley of Thousand Peaks. Rocky Mountain, Vancouver, Columbia. It's Calgary. Calgary.
ano pala yung ano niya.
Okay, it says here you are here. Ayan, so ang track length niya is 1,029 meters. Oh my God. Ilang kilometers per hour? Wala. Well, you can actually control your speed. So,
May preno yun.
may preno siya. Meron siyang manual na preno. So, ito yung... So, dito tayo pupunta. So, ito yung track niya. Tapos doon hihinto sa
Hindi,
zipline.
ito pula.
Ano ba? Ay, yung pala.
Yung pula.
Yung red. Ah, okay. Tapos ano yung ending dito sa kabila? Okay. Okay, let's go. Separate?
You can't.
Okay.
Leave that front one done up.
Can I do this? Okay. Well,
Up is to stop, down is to go.
okay.
Okay, excellent.
Okay, perfect.
We're gonna give you guys 80 feet of distance. Just try and keep that the whole time. No tailgating. Please don't pull your phones out or anything
Yeah.
like that. Top of the track, there's gonna be a sign that will tell you to put your handles down, just so you have enough speed to go to the top. At the bottom, bless me. At the bottom, there's another sign with a little yellow light, just telling you to slow down for an automatic brake. It is a little abrupt if you don't slow yourself down. Okay.
Okay.
So just make sure you're aware, reading signs. The cart's got a speaker, it will tell you what.
Oh, cool. Wow. $80 feet. Oh my God, that's too high. 80 feet. Let's go. That was fun.
You are approaching the end of the ride. Be prepared to enter the offload area. Thank you for riding the Rail Rider Mountain Coaster at Golden Sky Bridge. Please exit the ride on your right-hand side. Remember to take a look at your souvenir photo and enjoy the rest of your visit.
Thanks. Okay. Hope your video na.
Sorry, that's
No, you're good. See? Normal human being. Look at that.
Ayun. Wanna try it? Ay,
No.
natatakot ako sa para sa puso mo lang.
Yeah, maybe.
Tatakot. Nakakakiliti talaga.
Ayun lang. Kaya sila traffic.
Solo nila eh.
Ah. Look at that. Running water.
Oh my God. Grabe, kala mo magpupulikatin yung pa ako eh.
Para mabalik atin. Look at that.
Kala mo pupulikatin yung pa ako eh.
Oh my God.
Wala, natatakot ako sa...
Saan ba?
Kasi hindi nakasakbit yung ano sa
Oh
kamay
my
mo.
God. Grabe. It's okay. Relax. Look at that. Para hindi mag-wiggle. Wiggle. Hindi na ako pa ginagawa yun eh. Para hindi siya mag-wiggle.
Hindi, ano? May ibon siguro.
Saan? Where?
Ano yun? O ba?
Somewhere?
Hmm.
Okay.
Yan, dapat sa harap ka lab eh, para lagi.
Bakit?
Para sa camera. Dalawa tayo na ako.
Ah.
Hindi pwedeng ako lang. Dapat dalawa.
Kanina mas mataas yung... Ayun o. Woo! Zipline! We'll do it next time. We don't have so much time. We went here a little late. Not a little late. Sobrang late. 5:40, imagine. But that's okay. Mahirap pag nirush namin ng mga bagay-bagay. You okay?
Ah.
Natulala na po siya mga kaibigan.
Parang nahilo.
Talaga?
Oh.
Swing. Maybe next time. Yes!
Ano?
Vlogging for YouTube.
Kala ko.
Ano yan? Dito tayo dyan eh. Let's go, lab. Kailangan namin maghanap. Pero, to summarize, it was a great experience. Nakadalawa kaming
Roller coaster.
roller coaster. Obviously, na-enjoy niya ng sobra. It was a very tiring day, so I hope tomorrow medyo chill lang kami. Kasi this is supposed to be a vacation. And I'm supposed to be resting. But I'm making myself tired 10 times more than my work. So, I appreciate na lumabas kami. Be with nature. So, of course, importante naman na makapag-bonding kahit busy sa work. Right?
Yes.
Yes. Busy siya maghanap ng food. Kasi konting oras na lang. Magugutom na ako ng sobra. Sabi,
Yeah.
hindi naman. Ibig niya lang sabihin, maiksi yung pasensya ko pag gutom. Lahat naman ng babae, diba? Lahat naman. Sorry, Dabi. Lahat naman ng babae, diba? Pag gutom, may nitulo. Yun lang naman yun eh. Tapos, pag di nagutom, mabait na ulit kami. For that very basic species. So, yun. Naghahanap lang siya. And then, date namin kayo later kung saan kami nakahanap ng food. Dito sa Golden British
Gonna be good.
Columbia.
Gonna be.
Ay.
Gana.
Okay, of course. Souvenir shop. Hanap ulit tayo ng ref magnet. Hanap tayo ng magandang golden. Ah! Look ko! Gusto mo to? Or 10.99?
Dali lang. 8 o'clock eh.
Sige, ako na lang titingin po ako. This is nice. Ref magnet. I think this is like, how much is this? Wala naman price. Pero let's do this. Golden Sky Bridge. Golden BC camera. I think mas maganda to. Though, I'm not sure how much is this. Ang dami naman North Face. I'll just buy this. Ang 7 minutes.
Apo, North Face yung ano rito.
Okay na to. Do you wanna check some polarized shades? Mahal dito.
Ah,
This is so cute.
dito. Tinan mo magkano.
99. Isang daan. Isang daan. Okay, laki na. Nararamdaman ko na yung chan ko. Bayaran na natin to.
Sige.
Hey.
Need to go home.
Yes,
Sun
actually,
shade.
yeah. Sadly.
Air conditioning.
Yes. I love here. All good? No, I'm good. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Thank you. Can we go this side?
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah, got it. Very much.
Unlock.
Huh? That's pretty much the end of our Golden Sky Bridge, BC, Canada. We we definitely will come back here. Kasi, okay, paulit-ulit na ako masyado. Just to share, yung isa lang sa, maganda experience, mukhang masaya siya. Isa lang sa medyo negative na masashare ko is, may mga tao na minsan nagsa-search talaga before going to, which sana ginawa namin. Kaso minsan parang, syempre, busy ka, hindi mo naman may isip na mag-search up almost all the details of the what of yung gagawin mo, yung pupuntahan mo. So, pumunta kami dito, nag-search kami ng konti. But then, we missed one important details na, kailangan pala namin mag-register first for QR code. So, we fall in line, get to the register, and then, siya lang yung nagsabi sa amin that we have to register for QR code. We already spent half an hour, 15 minutes. Am I exaggerated? Maybe 15 minutes. So, maybe 15 minutes na naghintay kami sa pila. Pagdating namin doon, they were looking for, yun nga, sa pangalan namin, and they ask if we register for QR code. First, wala naman nagsabi na mag-register sa QR code. Walang obvious signage that we have to register for QR code. Wala pang tao na nandun, na nakatayo at first when we went in the line. Ayun. So, we have to first register for the QR code. Tapos, tinanong ko kung, okay, babalik pa kami sa pila, and then they said, yes. So, we have to do the QR code and pila again. So, we spent another 15 minutes?
Si 12 o'clock.
Yeah, I think we spent another 15 minutes for that. Let me put my seatbelt on.
Dapat sana, nung pagdating ng bag, kanina na nalaman niya na hindi alam. Kasi may nakita ko may QR code dun sa harap eh. Sana nila pinagawa. Kasi
parang-
bilis lang nung kunin nung ano eh.
Yeah, exactly. Parang,
Ang bilis lang kunin nung yung QR code, pipirma ka, kukunin mo yun, no? Pinascan niya sana. Wala pang 2 minuto.
oo, wala pang 2 minuto. But then, again,
Tapos ko kagad.
no one was there nung nasa line kami. And then, nung nasa line na kami, yung lalaking nandun, hindi naman nag-check kung nakapag-QR code na. Kasi, again, we're all not informed. So, I think a couple of customers, yung parang bumalik para mag-QR code. So, umalis sila sa line, bumalik ulit. So, it's just really a waste of time. Kasi parang, yun nga, alas 5 naman sana kami dapat nandito. Pero dahil dyan, may extra 30 minutes that we have to spend outside for all those. And again, hindi siya busy ha. Hindi siya busy, right?
Oo.
Hindi siya busy, parang maikli lang yung pila. Hindi siya busy. So, dapat sana medyo, yun lang. So, kung pupunta kayo dito, yun, QR code first before paying for the ticket. Or do online. Maybe there's an information dun sa online na sasabihin, okay, register first for
Wala.
For QR
Walang nakalagay sa online
ayun, wala daw.
na magpipirma ka ng waiver. Wala.
Oo, yung waiver.
Wala.
Ayun,
Basta
wala daw.
ticketing lang.
Yes. So, but all in all, masaya siya. We only did, again, Skybridge, saka yung mountain coaster. Which is we did twice. So, masayang masaya. Masayang masaya siya. Sobrang bilis niya magpaandar. Ayun, I'll share some clips sa vlog for sure. Makikita nyo naman. So, yun. We're looking for food now. Which is, I'm excited. See you later. Okay guys, nandito kami sa Chinese restaurant. And this is our dinner. This is his dinner.
Oh, masarap yung shrimp mo na ba?
You can have some.
Kasi, order ko talaga.
Ayan, so.
Okay.
Hey, thank you.
May na ang chili sauce.
We can treat this.
Okay. One
Nakita
to.
kami yung sushi place because we're craving for sushi. Both of us. Kaso, yung problema, wala
So,
silang dining. Wala silang dining. Ano lang, take out lang.
Wala tinitap yung natin kanina.
Lasang pineapple. May mga bukas pa naman dito na kainan. Kaso nga lang, pub, bar, grill, steak, burger, fries. Hindi kami fan. Obviously, we're Asians. At least proper dinner kasi wala kami proper lunch. Diba?
Tulun pala siya.
What happened? Dalabat siguro yun. Pero nag-record pa siya. Masarap, pilipya.
Oh, thank you.
Masarap.
Turun pala siya. Hindi ba siya turun?
Ano siya ito? Sabi. Parang masarap yung chili mo ah. Ginger beef. I think it's an authentic Chinese restaurant.
Yeah.
Parang
sambal.
Oo, parang sambal.
Solid. With chili paste talaga.
Try natin.
Ang laba, solid ah.
Tama ha?